Binance versus Bitkub. Which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right platform can change how you trade cryptocurrencies without unnecessary fees or limited options. We'll explore Binance's global reach and Bitkub's local focus to help you decide. Binance and Bitkub are two leading crypto exchanges, but they serve different audiences. Binance offers a vast global market with extensive features, while Bitkub focuses on Thailand's local market with user-friendly services. The core difference lies in scale and regional specialization. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive range of coins and advanced trading tools. It operates worldwide, providing access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, futures, staking, and DeFi options. Binance's platform supports high liquidity and competitive fees, making it ideal for active traders and institutional investors. The exchange uses robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage to protect assets. However, Binance's complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, and regulatory scrutiny in some countries may affect access. Users outside Thailand benefit from its global reach and diverse offerings, but those seeking localized services might find it less tailored. Overall, Binance suits experienced traders looking for variety, advanced features, and global market access. Bitkub is a Thailand-based cryptocurrency exchange designed for local users. It offers a straightforward interface, making it accessible for beginners and casual investors. Bitkub supports popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and provides Thai baht deposit and withdrawal options, simplifying transactions for local customers. The exchange complies with Thailand's regulatory framework, ensuring transparency and legal protection. While Bitkub's coin selection and advanced features are more limited compared to Binance, it excels in user experience and local support. Trading fees are competitive, but liquidity is lower than global platforms, which may impact large volume trades. Bitkub is ideal for users based in Thailand who prioritize ease of use, local currency support, and regulatory compliance over extensive trading options. Binance and Bitkub serve distinct needs. Binance offers a broader cryptocurrency selection, advanced trading tools, and global liquidity, perfect for experienced traders or those seeking diverse investment options. However, its complexity and regulatory challenges can be barriers. Bitkub, on the other hand, provides a simpler, locally regulated environment with Thai baht support, ideal for beginners and residents of Thailand. While Bitkub's trading options and liquidity are more limited, it delivers a user-friendly experience with strong local compliance. Choosing between them depends on your trading goals, global access and variety with Binance, or local convenience and simplicity with Bitkub. Choose Binance if you want global cryptocurrency access, advanced features, and high liquidity, especially suited for experienced traders and international users. Opt for Bitkub if you are based in Thailand and prefer a simple, locally regulated exchange with Thai baht support. Its ease of use and compliance make it the best choice for beginners and those focused on the Thai market.